Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add divider to SurveyMonkey. First, open up the survey you want to edit, and then click here on Design Survey. And then once this loads up, what I want you to go ahead and do is come over here and hover over the right-hand panel, scroll down until you see this option right here that says text. By the way, if you cannot see this right-hand panel, just come here, make sure you've clicked on build. Okay, if you are in style or anything else, just make sure it is selected on build, right? Now, what I want you to do now is come here, drag and drop text wherever you want to add a divider. So let's say I want to add it right here, and then we just enter a text. For example, if you want to do a line, you can go ahead and add dashes like that. Okay, and then you can highlight everything. You can make this bold. For example, you can also click on these three dots to access the advanced editor and then change the font size as well, right? As you can see, you can change the font family. Let's remove these extras, and then we can go ahead and click on OK and then save it. And there you go. You would see the divider. Now here, right? If you find that it's not fully filled in the page, you can add a few more dash lines. And what I like to do is I just name it, for example, section, and I name whatever section it is. Let's say section 3, feedback, right? And then I save that. That is what I usually do for dividers. I create different sections and headings for them. As you can see, you can place this anywhere you would like to divide. And that is how you can add a divider in SurveyMonkey.